Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day one of the week-long Southwest Colorado road trip. Today, I'm starting out in Breckenridge, headed through Independence Pass, having lunch in Aspen, and looking for a deserted ghost town. It's just the beginning. This week, I have so much planned. I'm going to hit up 3 of the 4 national parks in Colorado. I cannot wait. I have been looking forward to visiting Mesa Verde since we studied it in school. I also have no idea what to expect at Great Sand Dunes National Park. And then the trip ends in Colorado Springs, where they have Garden of the Gods, one of the most visited places that I've looked at. I cannot wait to get started. I'm excited that you're along for this ride. It is summer, and that means it's time for a road trip.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Headed up between Twin Lakes and Aspen, and we're here. We've gone on Independence Pass, and we have switchbacks in the car. I'm stopped at a pull-off that is big enough for one car specifically, but past all the other pull-offs. So getting ready to carry on to check out the road. It's starting to rain. It might be hail soon. It's cold enough, and we have plenty of snow up here.
Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
After surviving Independence Pass, we stopped at Aspen for lunch, and now we're at the Ashcroft Ghost Town. I'm excited to see what we have here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It's free and an easy way to support me on my big adventure. You better buckle up. We're ready to get this road trip started. There's 6 days of activities planned. So much time for activities. I hope you're ready.